In this video I want to show you how important the control center is. Over here we can open the control center, and here we can check for all components in the ground plane. And then it checks if there's a collision or something that doesn't fit. In this case here there's a missing element. So we can do a right click and mark it. So we see it's over here. And this missing element we can just delete. And then you see it's gone. So there's a component collision and it's over here. So now we marked it. And we can go to the panel view with F4. Alright, and here we can see those two posts. So we have to delete one. Take this one, delete it, and then we press F5 so this can calculate again. Alright, so now it fits again. And let's see what we have. So here's a counter processing that is missing. Again, we mark it. All right, we mark it. And then we see, all right, there something is wrong. And we see, oh, this is not cut to this one. So it doesn't make processing. So on this side it does, but not here. So we have to cut it again. So when we take it, go to cut. And then cut it to this beam. Now we see the processings are on both sides. So now we can check it again. And the warning is gone. Alright, so sometimes it displays a warning for a collision, but we want it that way. So for example, if we delete this one and we just want to show these two. Alright, and then we give it the position that it should collide. So something like that. Alright, and now we punch it. So they fit together. All right. So we want it like that, but if we calculate the control center again, here we see it says there's a component collision, and now we can, if we want it like that, we can do a right mouse click and then we can ignore the conflicts. Now you see a small green marking over there, and then it's okay. So the best thing is, before you transfer your data to the material list, you should first check the control center. And there's a last thing I want to tell you. So if you do have a second monitor, you can go to this area here and do a right mouse click and then go to customize. And now you could simply take this one and per drag and drop you can move the control center, for example, to the second monitor, and then it will not disturb you while working.